Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so home screen is already open on my device and visible on the screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your screen right now. Once it is, simply hold power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with the pop-up with share and scroll screenshot option. Now the scrollable screenshot is only accessible in areas where you can scroll down on. So as an example, your settings page, a web page, or maybe something like Instagram, which will allow you to continuously keep capturing longer and longer version of the screenshot as a one single take. In any case, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application, and you can then navigate to Library and Screenshots, in which you'll find all the screenshots that you've captured over the time. This one will be the one that I have just captured, as you can see, based on time. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.